Okay guys, we are so back. Check this out. Today we're gonna open this Dragon Ball Super Critical Blow Booster. This one has a God Rare. Let's just open this damn thing and see what we get. What are the chances that we get a God Rare during this opening? What are the chances, guys? You know, for a beginner channel. Damn, beautiful. Okay, Critical Blow. Nice. Okay, let's get a close up of it. It's crazy, crazy. I love these boosters. These Dragon Ball cards are just insane, bro. Okay, just taking my time looking at it. Okay, let's see if we get a God Rare. Nice. Okay. Nice. Okay. Looks good. Let's get it. Okay. Son Goku and Korin. Nice. What? Son Goku. Is this normal, guys? That it has two things on the back? That's weird. Okay. Demonic Blade. Demonic Blade. Crazy. I didn't know they had sideways cards. Dr. Hito's Laboratory. Nice. Whoever that dude is. Fu. This guy's name is Fu. He must be a cholo. Fu. Son Goku. Nice. Psyche Demon. What? What's all these demon cards, bruh? Okay. Paragus. Nice. Krillin and Yamcha. Turtle School experts. What? Hey yo, check out Krillin's fit in this picture, man. That's hard. That is hard. Focused. Barrage. Nice. Bora. Okay, Bora. Ooh. It's a common. It's a common. Did we get anything else? Rare. Son Gohan, close call. This card looks nuts, guys. Check that out. And this is a rare Son Goku. How is this a rare? Got me all the way messed up. This is really cool. Okay. This is really cool. Nice. Well, guys, it was fun, but no God Rare. But this looks pretty cool. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Comment, subscribe, like the video, and all that good stuff. I will see you guys on the next one.